Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and Samsung's Unpacked has just ended, and here is what I ordered and what I paid. So we got the Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabyte unlocked, of course, and I did get the jet black exclusive color, which gives you the black edges. So instead of like a silver titanium color on the edge, they match the back. The regular black is the black on the back, and then the titanium edges. I traded in the S24 Ultra, which is this one right here. And then for the freebies with the credit, I did get the knit suitcase, or the kind suitcase, and the transparent cases, both the regular and the magnetic one. I'm pretty sure the magnetic case only comes in that transparent. I don't think the other ones have the magnet, like the silicone and the kind suit. I got the anti-reflective screen protector and the silicone case. So those are all the things I ordered from Samsung, and then I did get a screen protector in another case from Amazon as well that will be coming in here shortly. So we'll be taking a look at all that. But those are my Unpacked day orders. So we'll be taking a look at all those on the channel when they arrive, and unboxing the phone and all that kind of stuff. I'd get the upgraded 512 because it was the free storage upgrade. You can also use your credits for Samsung Care Plus. If you do the 2-year plan, you can get a discount on that by taking the price of it out of your credits. But I prefer to do Care Plus month to month. That way I don't, sell the phone and have extra Care Plus left over. And then I can use the credits for actual physical items, such as the cases and accessories. So I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.